and welcome back. So these are all the pieces you need for this small build. It's a robot. You can probably tell that, maybe not. Yeah. I've got 17 pieces, not including this. Nope. Would you ask why you only have 17 pieces? Yeah, I can hear you screaming out, why? It's because this is a small build, obviously. So let's have a look at these pieces like that. These two 1x1s, round ones. These colors. If you can get them, just probably can. Just use those colors. Then this yellow square, any color you like. This thingy, I probably, just for us, can comment below what it's called. We have quite a few things that we want you to comment about. So this 1x4 bracket. This jumper plate. 1x2 jump plate. And also comment on this. We don't know what this is called either. So these gold pearl grills. Comment on these two. We don't know what they're called, but just have them, please. Just two of them. Just two of them. Yeah. And this piece not including, but still, please have it. We might need them. Just in case. So we got these wheels, probably from your dad. If your dad was obsessed with Lego, our dad wasn't really obsessed, but yeah, still has these heaps. I'm pretty sure. I know. So these grey pieces. So the 2x2. Be any color you want. And this other one, 2x3, I believe. 2x4, yeah, 2x4. Definitely 2x4. So this arm of a droid in Star Wars, and these other pieces, okay? Other pieces. Really, don't really care about. So that's the roll, and let's start building. I see you are bored. I can see those faces, although I can't. Oh my gosh. So get this 2x4 and these wheels. Obviously you don't know what to do. Well, you probably do. So stick them at the bottom. That's what you got in your mind, so do it. And you got your skateboard. Okay, but we're not making a skateboard. Then secondly, this piece. Stick it on top in the middle where there's 2 more spaces left. Then, excuse me, cameraman, these 2 pieces. Stick them on the side. Oops. Like that. And like that. I hear you saying you've got this piece, so I know you do. Okay, let's put that aside. Now, time to make, what did you call it? A collar? Yeah, a collar. So you got this 1x4 bracket. Got these other 3 pieces we talked about. Too lazy to say the name. Oh, and this jumper plate. So first, put these on the side as lights or sirens, because did I mention we're making not a siren bot? What's a siren bot? A rescue bot. Name of a TV show. Just put this yellow one in the middle. Did I just drop that thing? Did I? Really? There. Does that look good? Now time for the face. This guy can't be a robot without a face. There we go. There's the face. Like the face? Anybody like the face? Anyone? Yeah, I can see one person putting their hand up, even though I don't think they're putting their hand up. I think they are. Okay, then this piece. Stick it under there. Hi. Although he can't grow up. This one. So here you use that clicking bit and then put this. If you just listen to my orders, put it there. Now you're thinking, one arm, no arm. Well, one arm with a hand, one arm without a hand. This little piece. And you can put it either like this or like this. I'm thinking because that one's already like that, maybe like this. Then you can, if you want just for like to make it look good, maybe to add these pieces, add that on the back like that, and then this little piece, not here, not here. There's only one more place. Hang on, there. Just need to get it in. There, right there. Okay, now if you like this, just check out some more videos, maybe like even, or even more, subscribe. Wow.